This session will simulate a live tutorial where I ask questions about how to transform textbook content into structured data, specifically JSON, for use in AI-assisted interactive neurosurgical education tools. We will build this as a podcast. Every technical step will be framed as an obstacle to overcome. Today, I want to take you on a journey from something we all know, the surgical textbook, to something new, a structured, intelligent format, JSON. Why? Because if we want AI to help teach anatomy, the surgical anatomy, we need to speak its language. Oh, hi, Nura. How are you?
Hi, Dr. Haidar. I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. So, what do you think about my introduction?
I think your introduction is absolutely fantastic. It's clear, engaging, and really sets the perfect stage for what we're about to dive into with JSON.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. I had an annotated surgical image. It looked simple, a cerebellar lobe outlined in green with a yellow highlight overlay. But I have a question now for you. How can I turn this into something the machine can understand?
To make it machine readable, you can convert the details of that annotated image into a structured format like JSON. That way, every element, like the outlines and highlights, can be neatly organized and easily understood by the machine.
But here is a real problem we face, I think. Trying to embed the image itself inside the JSON. How do you link the image with the JSON file?
One common approach is to convert the image into a base64 string and include that string in the JSON. That way, the image is represented as text, making it easy to keep everything together.
I think we have another issue. If I highlight the cerebellar lobe in yellow, can I use yellow again in another picture to label something else? Or would it be a confusion for the machine to learn?
As long as you provide clear labels or a legend for each image, it won't cause confusion. The machine can differentiate based on the context and labels, so feel free to reuse colors as long as everything is clearly documented.
Okay, agree. But what about using outlines only?
Using outlines is a great approach. It helps keep things simple and clear. By using outlines, you can highlight specific structures without relying on color, which can make your annotations more versatile and easier to interpret.
Okay, that raises a technical challenge, I think. Full JSON block with coordinates, quiz, metadata, and everything. How do I save this as an actual JSON file? Where?
You can save it using any text editor like Notepad or Visual Studio Code. Just paste the JSON block in there and then save it with a .json extension. That way it's recognized as a JSON file and ready to use whenever you need it.
Okay, and now I have the JSON file and the image, the related image. Can we zip the JSON file with the image itself, making a downloadable bundle? It would rather feel like I have a clean labeled surgical kit in digital form, organized, I imagine.
Absolutely. Zipping the JSON file together with the image is a great idea. It keeps everything neatly packaged and easy to share or download, making it feel like a complete organized set.
Okay, now the big question. Can we convert an entire textbook this way?
It's definitely possible, but it would be quite an ambitious project. You'd essentially break the textbook down into smaller, manageable sections and convert each one into JSON along with any images or annotations. It's a big task, but it can definitely be done.
I'm thinking about making each idea navigable. A JSON file, I think, for one craniotomy is more powerful than the whole PDF if it's searchable, interactive, and paired with annotations.
Absolutely. Having each idea in a navigable JSON format really makes it so much more dynamic and interactive. It allows for easy searching, linking annotations, and really enhancing the learning experience in a way that a traditional PDF can't quite match.
Now I want you to summarize this idea for the artificial intelligence. Is it possible to deal with PDF alone without this JSON? Why bothering making an advanced level of structuring data?
In essence, while AI can work with PDFs, using JSON offers a higher level of organization and interactivity. JSON makes data easier to search, navigate, and annotate, which can significantly enhance the learning experience and make the data more accessible and powerful.
Okay, let's say that we are building a voice chat bot, and you have the PDF about a surgical approach, and you have JSON for this surgical approach. Is it different for you uh, interacting with these two types of formatting?
Absolutely. Interacting with JSON is often more efficient because the data is structured and easy to parse, making it simpler for a chatbot to find and deliver specific pieces of information. With a PDF, the chatbot would need to extract and understand the content first, which can be a bit more complex and time consuming.
So can we say that JSON will abolish any possible hallucination?
JSON can definitely help reduce the chances of hallucinating by providing clear, structured data. It ensures that the AI is pulling information from well organized and accurate sources. Of course, it's still important to ensure that the data itself is accurate, but JSON does make the process more reliable.
Okay, thank you, Nura. Thank you a lot. See you.
You're very welcome, Dr. Haidar. It was a pleasure chatting with you. Take care and see you next time.
Okay, take care. Bye. So here is the message for everyone listening. If you are building the future of surgical learning, don't just collect knowledge, structure it, label it, organize it in JSON. That's the step between human brilliance and machine assistance.